Join me as I put Mer Cream to the ultimate test and see if it really can transform my skin into a hydrated, glowing masterpiece. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative power of Mer Cream and how it can elevate your skincare routine to new heights. Many people struggle with dry, dull skin and are searching for the perfect product to achieve hydration and radiance without irritation. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's a constant battle to find something that actually works. We've all been there, scouring the internet for reviews, trying out different products, and ending up with a cabinet full of creams that promised the world but delivered nothing. But what if I told you there's a product that can change all of that? A product that's been hailed as a game changer by beauty enthusiasts and experts alike. That product is Mer Cream, and today we're going to explore just how it can transform your skin. One of the reasons why Mer Cream stands out from the rest is because it's not just a moisturizer, it's a treatment. It's packed with powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work deep within the skin to hydrate, nourish, and protect. Whether you're dealing with dryness, fine lines, or dullness, Mer Cream has got you covered. And the best part? It's suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. So if you're tired of using products that promise the world but fail to deliver, it's time to give Mer Cream a try. Mer Cream has been touted as a miracle worker, and for good reason. It's been clinically tested to provide up to 24 hours of hydration, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and leave your skin looking smoother, brighter, and more radiant. And the secret to its success lies in its unique formula. It contains Mer's signature Miracle Broth, a potent blend of seaweed extract, vitamins, and minerals that's been perfected over 50 years. This broth is what sets Mer apart from other skincare brands, and it's what makes their products so incredibly effective. We'll explore the unique ingredients that make Mer Cream a game changer, including its signature Miracle Broth and how it works on various skin types. I'll share my own personal experience with the cream, and we'll dive into some real-life testimonials from people who've seen dramatic improvements in their skin after using Mer Cream. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dry, dull skin and hello to a radiant, glowing complexion, then keep watching. This cream is not just a product, it's an experience. It's a luxurious treat for your skin that leaves you feeling pampered, relaxed, and confident. And when you apply it, you can feel the difference. It's like a drink of water for your skin, quenching its thirst and leaving it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. So if you're looking for a product that will truly transform your skin, then Mer Cream is the way to go. But don't just take my word for it. I've seen the before and after photos, and I've read the testimonials from people who've used Mer Cream to achieve incredible results. From reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to hydrating dry, sensitive skin, this cream has done it all. And the best part? It's not just for women. Men, too, can benefit from its incredible hydrating powers. This is where we'll reveal real testimonials and before and after shots showcasing the dramatic improvements in skin texture and glow after using Mer Cream. I'll share some of my favorite stories from people who've seen incredible results, and we'll explore just how Mer Cream can fit into your existing skincare routine. So if you're ready to take your skin to the next level, then keep watching. To wrap up, we've seen how Mer Cream can truly transform your skin, making it hydrated and radiant, elevating your entire beauty routine. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or fine lines, this cream has got you covered. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to bad skin days and hello to a glowing, radiant complexion, then give Mer Cream a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other skincare videos and leave a comment below with your thoughts on Mer Cream.